Hey beauties, happy Valentine's Day. Today we're going to do a back and bicep supersets workout with the tube bands. So newbies to my channel, what are supersets? It's basically when you're doing two exercises back to back, no rest in between. So you're gonna go straight from one exercise to the next, no rest, and just rest at the end of that superset. And if you don't have bands, that's totally fine. Grab a set of heavier dumbbells and a set of lighter dumbbells for you to do today's workout. All right, if you haven't done so already, make sure to do my 5-minute warm-up lip video that's linked in the corner of your screen here. And if you're all set, let's get it.
Can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off. You got that motion, dance in slow motion. My eyes can't help looking at you right now. So much emotion, just pick your poison. Is every move you make even allowed? Can't get enough, I try my best to look away but I can't stop. Am I a freak to you? We almost touch. I feel your body move my way, you're close enough. So I say, can't take my eyes on you. You were all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. You know what I mean. Can't take my eyes on you. You were all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. Take my eyes on you. Yeah. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off you. Can't take my eyes off. 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 Your head's turned, you make my heart burn. It's like I'm awake inside of a dream. You're getting closer, night's almost over. I might just ask you to leave now with me. Can't get enough, I try my best to look away but I can't stop. Am I a freak to you? We almost touch. I feel your body move my way, you're close enough. So I say, can't take my eyes on you. You were all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. You know what I mean. Can't take my eyes on you. You were all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. Take my eyes on you. Yeah. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off you. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes on you. You were all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. You know what I mean. Can't take my eyes on you. You are all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. Take my eyes on you. Yeah. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off you. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off you.
All right, that was our 3 supersets. Make sure to comment down below, let me know how you like this workout. I did things a little bit differently today to offer you guys a little bit more flexibility. Let me know what you think. Do you like it better this way or do you like it better the old way? All right, and make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications so you can always get bit by Chris. And I've linked a couple other workouts down below in the description box in case you guys want to do a little ab finisher or a little bit of a cardio workout at the end of this one. You can always pair these workouts with a couple of different things. Give yourself a total body sweat sesh. All right, see you guys later.